Thutha wa gukinya bururi-ini na kwamukirwo na njira ya mwanya thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi, President wa Afrika ya Muhuro Jacob Zuma ni ageire na kanya ga kuhurirwo baruti 21 ni mbutu ya bururi. Mushemani-ini wa President Uhuru Kenyatta na mugeni wake Zuma na ajumbe miena yeri wariria maundu matiganite, no marikia manirira ati Akenya maguthie na mbere na kuhuthira mutaratara uria uriho wa kuhoya visa ya guthie Afrika ya Muhuro.
We have also agreed to consider our request that Kenyan nationals, and we are grateful for that, be granted visa on arrival, and this is something that the South African government will look into.
Ihoya ria President Kenyatta riuma Kenya makaheagwo visa makinya mugaru na ihinda-ini riri riria no nginya mundu aikie mahoya atathiete Afrika ya Muhuro.
This is a privilege that Kenya already extends to South African nationals coming to Kenya. In our view, there is no reason why both our governments cannot agree on exemptions of visas for each other's citizens.
Maundu mangi maria maririirio ni wonjoria na ugitiri. Hindi yo mitaratara itandatu ya wiguithanio ni ikiranirwo kirore.
We have also signed 2 memorandum of understanding in the field of security, one for police cooperation and one for defense cooperation.
Nige atongoria acio eri no maririe ciigie ugitiri mabũrũri-inĩ ma Sudan ya Muhuro, Somalia, Burundi na Congo DRC.
On the DRC, we urge all stakeholders to participate in the national dialogue process. We hope that the dialogue will come up with a clear roadmap towards elections.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, jitagwo Macharia wa Mugo.